welcome back to Poppin' Often with Coach Lofton. Yes, the suit, the tie, everything you're seeing right now is Coach Poppin'. If you didn't know, I used to coach professionally for 12 to 13 years. Now you might be thinking, why does this matter? Why do you have a suit and a tie on? Hold on, let me explain. I'll get to that. If you also didn't know, I've had 3 successful YouTube channels. The first YouTube channel was the first one I ever made. It had a whole bunch of random content on there. I had no clue what I was doing, but we were growing. The second channel was something called Coach Blaker. With this channel, it was more about sales. I wasn't using it to get views. It was more I was using it to get sales. And then the third channel, which is the one you're on right now, Poppin' Often with Lofton, is my gaming channel. Now this is a channel that I grew from nothing, but I also let it die twice. I had some in-life stuff going on and I had to let it die. So not only do I know how to grow a channel from scratch, whether it be for views or for sales on a platform, but I also understand how to revive a channel. Now hold up, enough about me. This is for you. If you are someone who is struggling with a YouTube channel, if you haven't even made a YouTube channel but you want to get into it, if you let one die and you want to revive it, this is for you. If you scroll down to the description right now, you'll see that there is a link to a Google Doc. Within this Google Doc, you'll find questions, simple questions about your channel and stuff like that. After the form has been filled out, I'll select some of the best responses because these are going to be the people that I plan to work one-on-one for free. I plan to work one-on-one with growing your channel and making it successful. Now I will say, I can't promise you you'll get bajillions and millions of views, but I can promise you that I understand how to not only use YouTube as a platform to sell items or services, but I also understand how to grow a YouTube channel from scratch and or revive one. Now you might be wondering, why on earth would you do things for free, especially help people grow their channel? What is this about? Well, I'm launching a new channel called Coach Poppin' Often. On this new channel, I'll be posting guides, reviews, seminars, and much more focused on how to grow your YouTube channel. I've been doing YouTube and growing multiple channels for going on 14 or 15 years, and I've made over 1,000 to 2,000 videos all combined. I understand how YouTube has changed over time. I understand the little intricacies. Sometimes if your channel isn't doing too well, it could be something very, very small that you might not be understanding. And that's what I want to help you out with. I want you to grow. Whether you're a gaming channel, a makeup channel, a sales channel, whatever, I want to help you the best that I can. So again, scroll down in the description below. You'll find my new YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe for that if you want reviews, guides, seminars, and anything and everything to help grow your channel. My new Coach Poppin' Discord channel where you can ask for help with titles, thumbnails, you can ask for generic questions about your YouTube. That is going to be where you go to help improve your channel. Then of course you have the Google Doc. Remember, make sure you fill that out, get the best answers as possible because I will be hand selecting a few to work with one-on-one. Whether you haven't made a channel yet and you want to, whether you just made a YouTube channel and you're not finding any traction, or you have an existing channel that either died or you just would like some help. This is all gonna be for you. Another main reason why I wanna do this is not only because I've already grown channels, but I really appreciate all the support I've gotten from every single channel that I've made. There's some people from specific channels that are like, hey, did you used to coach? Hey, are you popping? They already know because they see me from different channels. And so a huge shout out to all of you guys that are watching right now that have been supporting me from the past because this is why I want to do it. There's so many of you guys with great channels, great ideas, and you just need a little push because you have such great content. That is why I want to do this, and that is why I'm making this new channel, so I can help you out. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, you know what I always say. Thank you guys for doing what? Poppin' Often with Coach Lofton.